this right here, which is the M.2. So let's see it. It's in here. Have to remove this screw here. Remove the screw. Take it off. This is it, pretty much. I try to get all the files out of this. Alright, we're going to try to see if we can recover some of the files from this drive. It's an M.2 B type B, and M and B are compatible with this, as you can see. So you got to find the actual little niche here. And right now I do have this cover that I'm going to have to remove. So we're going to remove the cover. The only reason I kept the cover is just to distinguish which drive it is. So, alright, let's plug it in. Plug it in. Lights up. And it pops on my screen right there. So I put the BitLocker here and I click on it and bam, we got access to all the files, everything we need off this thing. So it's not bad. There it is. Alright, it cannot read this device at all, alright? It cannot read these. It reads these. I'm going to show you guys. Alright, so very simple to use. USB B type, if you can see it, because NVMe won't work in here. You plug this in and you put in your BitLocker. If you have a BitLocker, make sure you have the key. Alright, if you don't have a BitLocker, you know, you might have an issue. But if you have a hardware issue, it's overheating, I need something else. But right now it's picking up. So far so easy to use, just plug and play. Very simple device, USB. But make sure you only reads certain type. It doesn't read the NVMe. I'm going to show you the difference.